गोभी के पराठे।
कौन बैठा है, कौन बैठा है, कौन?
So I came to office शाम को because entire day I was feeling too low घर पे, and I decided to just take a cab, go to office which is near our house, and हरप्रीत अपनी कुछ meetings finish कर रहा था, after which we decided to go out. Guys, मैं office आई थी थोड़ी देर के लिए. Now we are heading back because I was feeling very low घर पे. मैंने कॉल सारी अपने घर से लिए हैं आज, all the interviews that I was taking, and now we're heading to the mall that is right in front of our office. तो चलते हैं. This is what I'm eating. This is what he has ordered. Time to dig in. Had such a good meal at Cafe Delhi Heights. This is the mall that has opened हमारे घर से 10 minute दूर, and I absolutely love कि finally we have options in North Delhi. And now we're gonna head over to Time Zone because we need to plan for an upcoming office celebration, New Year celebration. So we are thinking of taking our team here. I also love कि finally हमारे घर के पास कुछ अच्छा aesthetic play area है, because obviously we're gonna have a kid now. This is gonna come in really handy. So we've shortlisted 2 places team celebration के लिए. One is Smash Dwarka and one is Time Zone. We have to decide between these two. Since we're like 20 people around, कहाँ पे जा सकते हैं. So let's see how this goes. Decided not to move ahead with Time Zone क्योंकि बहुत सारी गेम्स है स्मैश द्वारका से ज़्यादा, बट एरिया वॉज वेरी स्मॉल. तो वी फील लाइक हमारी पूरी टीम फंस जाएगी यहाँ पे. पीपल वोंट बी एबल टू इंटरैक्ट. सो दिस ऑप्शन इज़ नो लॉन्गर वैलिड. लेट्स लुक एट सम अदर ऑप्शंस एंड सी वेयर वी डू द पार्टी. बेबी शॉपिंग डन. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू अनदर स्टोर. I just love their collection, by the way. और हमारे घर के सामने, आज हम घर के पास ये भी खुल गया है, और इसमें वो they have the recliner only halls which I love, but I have not gotten a chance to go there because अब इसको 1-2 महीने हुए हैं खुले हुए. So let's see कौन सी मूवीज़ लगी हुई हैं. Avatar.
What we have done is
He's taking a call now.
we updated this specific section, so I requested the team that just reduce the overall height of the section and
Fine,
sort
call
of
on you.
try to put in everything together. So you see, we sort of minimize. Any thoughts? Any feedback?
Going for a movie now. We're watching The Housemaid. Rating अच्छी है, but आजकल अच्छी मूवीज़ लग ही नहीं रही हैं, so we have no option but to choose a random movie because I just love coming to the mall and especially the movie hall. एंड आज हमें एक बिजनेस डेवलपर ने ऑनबोर्ड किया था US टाइमिंग्स में. विल बी वर्किंग विद अस फ्रॉम 10 to 6. सो आई जस्ट सेंट हर द ट्रेनिंग मटेरियल एंड नाउ लैपटॉप हमने गाड़ी में वापस रख दिया है. लेट्स गो टू द मूवी.
Yes, I would love to. When would you like me to start?
The movie is amazing so far, and what I like about this movie hall is that you can order like proper North Indian food while you watch the movie. So I'm really excited to experience that. I've gone to PVR director cut, but वो वसंत कुंज में है तो हम इतना नहीं जा पाते हैं. So here घर के पास, since this is open, I'm really happy because I'm a movie hall person fully through and through. अच्छी लग रही है मूवी.
बढ़िया है. मेरे को उससे ज़्यादा हॉल बढ़िया लगा.
The movie was amazing. बहुत सही मूवी थी. 12:30 हो गए हैं. Now we're gonna head home. There are moments like these when I'm so grateful for Harpreet because he literally cancelled 2 of his meetings because I was feeling super low today. So he wanted to ensure we can watch a movie, go out, and I have some outside food while still eating healthy. So yeah, I mean, really grateful for him in general, and I had a lovely day just because of him. because आजकल मैं अकेले बाहर नहीं जा पाती हूँ. कैसी लगी मूवी?
बढ़िया. बहुत बढ़िया. इतने टाइम बाद इतनी अच्छी मूवी देखी है. बढ़िया हॉल है.
अच्छे हॉल में. यस,
मजा आ गया.
yeah. So actually I ordered a bunch of stuff from Amazon, not Amazon, H&M, as you can see, and मुझे ये पार्सल आ जाया था and I really wanted to open it. I know बहुत लेट हो गया है, but I just wanted to open it and see because I can't resist myself. And मुझे काफ़ी सारे vlogs देख के पता लगा that H&M has very nice kids stuff which I didn't know, and this is the first time मैंने H&M से घर पे कुछ order किया है. So I'm really excited because इनके जो prints थे they were very aesthetic, basic prints, and I liked them way better than First Cry or Baby Hug and सब पे जो भी कपड़े थे. So I ordered a lot of clothes from them. I'm gonna open them one by one, and I've just opened one piece and I'm already crying. Look at that. मुझे ना अभी तक बिलीव नहीं हो रहा है कि कोई इतना छोटा हो सकता है. Like जो स्टोर पे लोग होते हैं ना, वो मुझे बोलते हैं कि दिस इज़ द न्यू बॉर्न साइज, एंड आई वॉच्ड अ लॉट ऑफ ब्लॉग्स एंड इट सेड दैट न्यू बॉर्न के आप ज़्यादा कपड़े मत लेना, बाय 10-15 पीसेस, एंड दैट्स इट, बिकॉज बहुत जल्दी बच्चे आउटग्रो कर जाते हैं न्यू बॉर्न साइज़ को, एंड 0 से 3 मंथ्स वाला साइज़ आप ज़्यादा लेना. बट आई स्टिल बॉट न्यू बॉर्न साइज बिकॉज माई बेबी कुड कम एनी वेयर बिटवीन 15th February to 15th March. So if it's a winter baby, I'll make use of the newborn sweater size. That's the first one. How cute is that? And Harpreet is here. Then we have these. Har, look at this. Har, can something be cuter than this? इतना छोटा कैसे हो सकता है कोई?
ये तो और छोटे हैं.
हाँ, तूने इतनी छोटी पैंट
हमने
देखी?
क्या साइज लिया था?
ये न्यूबॉर्न साइज है. तूने इतनी छोटी पैंट देखी होगी? Can you believe this? The size of my face. हर ये देख. Oh God. और कितने सुंदर कपड़े हैं. Oh, look at this. What? Oh, okay. So these are like sets. These are like sets of 3. ऐसे. And then इनके साथ इनकी same color की 3 pants है. Again, I think for some reason ये थोड़ा बड़ा size है. Yeah, this is the 1 to 2 month size. So sorry, H&M has 0 से 1 month and then 1 से 2 months. This is the 1 से 2 month size. Yep. Oh my God. Look at that. इनके कपड़े कितने प्यारे हैं यार.
ये H&M है?
हाँ. कितने सॉफ्ट है. इतना छोटा कैसे हो सकता है कोई? ये तो बहुत छोटा है. इतना छोटा कैसे हो सकता है कोई? I don't believe it. I'm so excited. Look at this. I don't know how this can fit a human being, but we'll see. I'll give you my review, live review in 1 month. Then we have some more of these bodysuits. I also think, oh, this is in the 0 से 1 month size. तो मैंने ये दोनों 0 से 1 month और 1 से 2 month size. Most of my clothes shopping is from H&M. मैंने बाकी जगह से एक दो पीस ही लिए because I just love their prints, like I said. What else do we have? Yeah, this seems, oh yeah, sleep suits. So I ordered these zip wale because I heard कि zip wale are better, manageable, जल्दी बंद हो जाते हैं. So I got this and this, another sleep suits. And you can see सब कुछ gender neutral है. Again, so tiny. And look at this set. So मैंने कुछ ऐसे थोड़े से thick sets करे हैं, so that if it's a February baby, we can have them wear, you know, something like this. हाँ भी देख. There is literally a drawstring.
वाह ये बढ़िया लग रहा है.
है ना? देख कितने
इनकी अच्छी
क्लासी
क्वालिटी है.
ब्रांड्स हैं.
हाँ.
Oh, and मुझे एक outfit at least baby pink करना था because what if it's a girl and I have nothing pink. So मैंने एक sleep suit pink color में किया है.
What if it's a girl का क्या मतलब होता है?
कि what if we have a girl?
हाँ तो मतलब probability दोनों की बराबर ही है.
हाँ तो सब कुछ neutral है, but अगर girl हुई तो एक pink outfit तो होना चाहिए ना. लड़कों को तो सारे कलर्स ही अच्छे लगते हैं. So I wanted one baby pink outfit. ये देख कितना cute है. Tacky नहीं लग रहा. Is that it? No. We have, oh, yeah, and I did order some woolen socks. These are like वो grip वाली socks होती है. Obviously बच्चे को grip की तो ज़रूरत नहीं है, but I really like these. So मैंने woolen socks करी है. ये भी मुझे लग रहा है मेरे 1 महीने काम आएंगे. And then obviously it will be March. और मार्च में दिल्ली में गर्मी हो जाती है. And then we have last one item. It's a lot of clothes by the way. I think I'm sorted. We have this nice blanket. I'm not gonna open it, but it's a nice warm blanket, fleece blanket. Because again, if it's a February baby, I need something warm. And anyway, blankets don't outgrow, right? So I feel like hopefully 2026 winters में भी ये use हो जाएगा. So I invested in that. Those are all the clothes that I have. A lot of clothes from H&M, all from H&M. सब धुलने वाले हैं. And everything is gonna get washed, pressed again, and then fit into those drawers. Oh, and about the shopping we did from the mall. This is what we got from Baby Shop. So one, I got three more zipper sleep suits in 0 to 3 months because ये ज़्यादा चलेंगे. And I mainly got them because हर जगह online H&M पे one sleep suit was around 800. उससे सस्ता मुझे कहीं नहीं मिला. And this is Baby Shop, First Cry का store है जो. And I got 3 for 1,000 rupees. So I was like, why not? So I got 3 of those. I got a teether. I know it's too soon to get a teether, but my friend suggested कि 2 महीने के बाद काम आता है. इस पे भी 3 months plus लिखा है. So I just have it in case. And I got this bed protector because I feel like you can't have enough of these. Baby is gonna pee, poop पूरे दिन. तो bassinet में लगा सकते हैं. I think bedding पे लगा सकते हैं. I don't know. I'm gonna see how I use it. But this is washable bed protector. So we got that. This is all I got from Baby Shop because सब कुछ मैंने almost online मंगवा लिया है. Which I'll show you very soon. And then there was this store, Mia Arkaska, which was more of a premium store in my opinion. But I still got this baby carrier. Now I've seen a lot of reviews कि इसकी ज़रूरत नहीं होती है. So essentially why it's called a baby carrier is you can zip it up like this and like this and you can carry your baby. So I've seen a lot of reviews जिसमें लोग बोलते हैं कि हम सिर्फ बेबी को इसमें घर लाए and then ये useless हो गया. But I've also seen so many people at our hospital Cloud9 Punjabi Bagh में carry this for their doctor's appointments. And what I liked about it is अगर हम use नहीं भी करेंगे it can convert as a bedding, which I haven't got. So I haven't got any bedding because हम bassinet लेने वाले हैं. But in case baby decides not to sleep in the bassinet, we're gonna just put this on our bed with a dry sheet and we're sorted. And that's why I got this, because I felt like and it was worth just 1,000 rupees, so I felt like it was a good investment. And then I got this cute woolen cap because, like I said, if it's a February baby, I want to have at least one woolen cap and woolen mittens. And then I just got one more sweater because I just have, I think, 2 sweaters that I've ordered, one from H&M, one from First Cry. So I thought it would be nice to have another one. Yeah. How cute is that? And I got this in the newborn size also. All the woolen stuff I've got in the newborn size because woolen सिर्फ मेरा तब यूज़ होगा if the baby comes in February. For 1 month I'll use it anyway. उसके बाद गर्मी आ जाएंगी in Delhi. So now I'm officially saying goodbye for the night.